As you can see, my cat, this is my cat's lair, so we're gonna clean it. So if you guys can see my couch, it's not my couch, it's my cat's couch. So that's how dirty it is. All this dog hair, all this grass, everything she brings in here. This is her couch pretty much. So what we're gonna do, we just got ourselves a new vacuum because the other little vacuum that was wireless did not have enough power. Now this one here in particular has a lot more power. It's a lot easier to handle. It's only one handle, if you guys can see. So you could use it for your furniture, especially for your furniture, your car, and also your bed too. Believe it or not, for your bed, because we do have cats and they go everywhere. And hair, it's just tremendously everywhere. Now they do give you an extra filter here. This is where the reservoir of the trash goes. But if you spin it, you see that little lock and unlock. Spin it, you take it out. And that's pretty much where you get the dust, the dirt and the trash. And here you do have a little brush, all right? And let me put this back in here to lock it in place. The same thing, lock it back. You see that? Lock in place. Now on the other side is where the actual filter goes and also the trash. So here is the actual filter, if you guys can see that. So you get to the replacement, all right? And this is where it's gonna suck in all the trash through here, everything up here. Just make sure you also do the same thing, lock it, and see that it's on lock right now. You spin it and it locks, all right? Now, there is a push button here with a couple cycles that we're gonna use right now. We're actually gonna use it today. That's why I got this, to clean this out, and also the bed, and maybe our car too. So, you know, and the brush is easy to actually access, and it has static. So you see that with me without even doing any suction or anything like that, it's automatically grabbing all the stuff. There's a UV light underneath of it that you're gonna see it working, and then 2 little rollers, and that's pretty much it. So let's put this to use. Baking powder is a natural deodorant, so we're gonna use this to show you guys how much it works. Spread it around. It also helps you clean out and deodorant any kind of surface kind of thing. So mix it around, if you guys can see that, everywhere. If you're concerned about the lights coming on, because it does have a UV light, it won't come on until you actually turn it on and have it facing down, because it's an ultrasonic too, and UV light. UV light is very harmful for everything, even hurts your eyes. That's why it's supposed to be facing down. Now, I'm going to show you guys all the dust and particles. Look at this. Look at all the dirt and everything it picked up, including the, oh my God, look at all the hair. The baking soda, baking powder that we threw on the bed so it could give it deodorant. It's pretty good actually. So this might not be important to you, but it's important to me because I have a 2-prong connection. I'm pretty much on all my sockets, all right? So this is a plus, because the 3-prong, I don't have that many. I have to get a converter all the time. So if you guys, just in case I missed out. Let's do this over here. Put this up here for now. Important, this is why they give you this little thing, hook, all right? Get all the dog hair, cat hair, everything you got out. So open it up, look at that. Overall, this thing's very powerful. Plug it in, keep it away from kids. UV light only interacts when it's down on the ground, but very convenient. You could take it to your car too and vacuum your cars. Mattresses, that's where you get it for. Make sure you get all that dust mites and everything out of it, and do that maintenance once a month, I would say, you know, and keep it safe. And also great for carpeting, great for pets. Hope you guys enjoy the video.